Vijay, is the screen visible?
Yeah.
What are we going to learn? Fundamentals and advanced concepts. What are
Mm.
we covered with the introduction, how has marketing changed? Then what does a website consist of? Okay. Then
Mm.
tools at hand. Which are the tools?
Introduction to WordPress. Okay.
Yes. Create your site. Then what happens around the world in
Mm.
60 seconds?
Yeah.
What does a website
Mm.
consist of?
Yeah. This I'm aware.
Yes. Yeah. Domain, web, SEO, hosting. Then domain
Mm.
servers, GoDaddy and all hosting
Yeah.
servers. Okay, then what should be your blog topic? Should be of any of your choice. Can I use WordPress of any type of hosting? If I buy domain name and hosting now and do not renew it, will the website be lost? Will my domain be available for sale to someone else? Can I change my hosting later?
Mm.
Where do I get free images from? Difference between blog and pages. Will in or .com affect SEO of my website?
Mm.
Then what are plugins? We have gone through what are the plugins, how we get it. Are plugins free? Do plugins slow down the speed of the website? Then what is the difference between homepage and about us page? Then what does a URL consist of?
Correct.
Okay. How to choose a
Mm.
good name?
Yeah.
Then how to choose all the nine,
Mm.
10 steps you need to follow. How we can buy a domain and hosting. We have gone through GoDaddy, how to purchase, how to
Yeah.
set the domain name and all everything. Then after selecting purchasing the domain and hosting, okay, you have to go to cPanel, do the settings, install WordPress. After you install WordPress, you get this screen, okay.
Okay.
And then after installation, you get this name and ID. Password, WP admin,
Mm.
okay. And you will log in on your this from this
So
and again,
these are the WordPress installation processes.
yes.
Okay.
It gets connected
Mm.
after it
Mm.
is
Mm.
installed.
Mm.
Okay. And this is your login. Whenever you
Okay.
log into WP admin, WordPress admin. So this is how it will show. Okay. And then
Okay.
we created the page, the post.
Mm.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay, so wait, I'll just open the SEO ka slide. SEO is little bit of technical part. Wait, I'll just share the screen. Is the screen visible?
Yeah. Mm.
So, in SEO, what are you going to learn? Like introduction to SEO and important concepts. Okay, that is technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and SEO audit.
Oh, there are so many issues like this. What is this?
See, I mean, like it's only one SEO, but for example, how we do, like on Facebook. Facebook is one platform. Okay,
Acha.
like same SEO is also one platform. It's the same. But again, creating a reel is a different, but part of Facebook. Creating a
Hmm.
post is different way, but again, it's a part of Facebook. The same way, SEO, technical SEO is like how to, it's just on page, off page. These are parts where you can drive traffic. How
So
you can,
you will be teaching all this.
yes.
Oh, good.
So what is on page, what is off page, and what is technical?
Technical on page. Acha.
So introduction to SEO. Okay, here see, Vijay, you can see the example they have given by SEO is important for business. Yeah.
Hmm.
You will
Okay.
understand by the example itself.
What is that search it is given for on top Google में?
See, now Tejal is excited about the first day of the college. Okay.
You
Now
must buy
he wants
horizontal
to buy
striped
a
t-shirt.
horizontal strip t-shirt.
Acha.
Okay. Even we want to buy anything or we want to know about anything, what we do? We do it Google only.
Correct.
You know? So the same thing what Tejal is doing. Even she is aware ki she can purchase a t-shirt from Myntra, she can purchase a t-shirt from Amazon, everywhere. I mean, like, we know there are so many
Hmm.
sites, but even we know which are the restaurants located near our house. But still,
Hmm.
what we do, we Google it.
Hmm.
Okay, and we won't be putting the name of the brand on Google in the search engine. What we put the keywords. So
Correct.
here SEO plays important role with only because of keywords.
Hmm.
Because people are not aware about the brands. Now what, see, Tejal is excited about the first day of the college. She want to buy a horizontal stripped t-shirt. She is looking for t-shirt which is stripped. Okay. So now what she did, she didn't put Nike, Adidas, or any brand. Okay. She has put the keyword horizontal stripped t-shirt for girls.
Hmm.
Okay, so these are all keywords, t-shirts for women. So whenever you search on Amazon, also whatever product, for example, if you're looking for running shoes, so you get n number of keywords below that. Running shoes for boys, running shoes for girls, running shoes for
True.
you know
Correct.
memory foam, XYZ. So these are all keywords. So when she has put horizontal strip t-shirt, she got so many inquiries on the first page.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ajio also has strip t-shirts. Okay. Mintra has also strip t-shirt and Amazon also has a strip t-shirt. So now those who have put the picture, it makes very difference, by looking at the picture and selecting the product. Okay. There are many, see, when it comes to e-commerce, okay, you should always update a picture of the product.
Hmm.
Okay. The visibility helps a lot to, towards the conversion. But
Hmm.
again, here you can see, I mean, like she has put the strip t-shirt for girls. So Mintra, Amazon had stem rope horizontal strip t-shirt. So this, whatever keyword she has put, it is already there. Though it is, stem rope, that is different. But again, horizontal strip t-shirt for girls, this keyword, what she has put, it is found on Amazon. Same
Hmm.
thing, Mintra, buy woman strip t-shirts online. So woman strip t-shirt is the main keyword which has played the role here.
Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm.
again, Ajio stripped tops. Okay. So this is how, because of this keyword, these inquiries have come up. So even suppose you are into any business, if you're into IT software or whatever, I mean, like suppose you are into clothing, okay, you are into, Kanjivaram saris or whatever. Those Kanjivaram saris also you need to put the keywords related to it. I mean, like, Kanjivaram saris, whatever the keywords is related, made up of original or range from 600 or range from 3000, whatever, customize XYZ. So people looking for putting the keywords as per that, you need to use those keywords in your content. Until and unless you don't use those keywords in your content, there are no chances of you ranking on the first page. Even though you have a website where you have purchased for 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, if your SEO is not done, no Vijay, There is no use of the website. Only just telling your customers that visit my website, I have my website, my products are listed. See, nobody will go and search.
Correct.
Okay, see, our family friends definitely don't know, Arey, he's into so and so products, will buy them. I mean, how many family friends? You know,
Hmm.
you can consider like 50 people, 1,000 people, XY, but there are so much crowd. I mean, like so much of audience in the entire India, anywhere. Okay, how will you target? And every time it is not like possible to run a paid promotion. So if SEO, many clients or many brands, what they do, Vijay, they do only SEO. Okay, and they run
Hmm.
the campaign once in a year only when they know ki, like, this is the season. For example, as I told you, like Kanjivaram sari or anything, they know, like, when in the December, Jan is the month of wedding season. Yeah, for May, April, that is a wedding season. That
No,
time
I didn't understand that sentence which you said they only do SEO. What does that mean?
SEO means they update their content with the keywords.
Acha.
Yeah.
But the master content or the parent content will be like that only.
Yeah, I mean, like, see, for example, if I show you example, now we'll see.
Okay, okay. The main content they will again further develop.
Yes, wait, if I tell you.
Node Infinity. Okay.
Okay, for example, if now, okay, for example, if I take digital marketing, okay, if the customer wants to visit this page,
Okay.
it's taking time to load. Again, see, when I clicked on the content, how much time did you take? It's taking, I think, more than 10 seconds to load.
Hmm.
Okay, this shouldn't be there. Your uh, it should be very fast. Your website should open within 1 second.
Okay.
Within 1 second, your website should open.
You will have to be in Japan only.
No, there are many websites.
Acha.
They load immediately, yeah.
Hmm.
We'll open data science. For example, Python for data science bootcamp. So now if you see the keyword, see Python, they haven't used the brand name Board Infinity. You will not find anywhere in the headline also Board Infinity. Are you
Hmm.
anywhere? Did you see Board Infinity?
No.
It's not there because it's a brand. They don't want to use it. They want to use the keyword. Okay, Python is a keyword.
Acha,
Data
acha.
science bootcamp is also a keyword. How many times they have used this keyword? See, boost your knowledge of Python. Again, one with this beginner friendly free Python course. Two, okay, as well as programming in general. Upon its completion, you'll be able to drive your own Python. Four, okay, perform basic hands-on data analysis and Jupyter. So and so. So first, in this one paragraph, how many times it has been used? 4 times. The same keyword. Okay.
Acha, acha, acha.
Then again
Python is the
down.
keyword now.
Yes, down. See again. Gain knowledge about Python. 6.
Hmm.
Okay. Learn through online lectures. Okay. Here. 6. What is Python? Again,
Hmm.
keyword. Basics of Python. Again, keyword. So this is how you need to update your keywords. Here also you will see, found the courses to be relatively easy and grasp. And again, here foundation, again I got the learn the basics of Python in data science, in coding using Python. Okay. Then again here Python, that's it. Okay. So on this entire page there were around 10 to 12 keywords used, whatever it was on the headline.
Okay.
So if anyone, for example, if this is, I think we'll just expect 10 keywords. So now if I Google it, Python for data science, let's put up the keyword. I'm looking for Python for data science. Okay. Again, you can see these are all see paid ads, why they are performing on the first.
Mm.
Okay. This is Coursera is free. Okay, it's coming up organically. That means compared to Board Infinity, these other platforms are doing, has done a very good SEO. That's why they are on the first page.
Coursera and Udemy.
Yeah, no, UDMY is promoting. Here
Acha.
it is sponsored. See, this is also sponsored.
So what is sponsored? I didn't get that.
Yeah, sponsored means they are running ads.
Who?
These two, UDMY and Coursera.
Okay.
That's why they are on the first page. Even
Running ads means how?
they are running Google ads, no?
Acha, acha. Okay.
Paid campaign. They are doing it paid campaign. That's why. So after the campaign is over, they will come again they'll come down. Those who are running ads, they'll come up.
Mm-hmm.
And again, if there is no one running ads and if your content is SEO friendly, okay, you have done a very good SEO, then you might come up on the first page again here
Acha.
in the place of UDMY.
Mm.
So W3 schools here, there is no sponsored ad running because it is organic who has come up on the first page. Let's see the
Okay.
content again. Here you can see. See how many times keywords Python, 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 Python,
Mm.
data science one, Python, Python, Python. How many times you can see? Again, Python, Python. Okay. Here also you can see. So see, for example, here also again, for example, like you are into graphic designing. Okay, it is not necessary that Python only should be the keyword, but whatever comes under Python or data science, you can use those keywords also. For example, if you're
Mm.
into graphic designing, always putting up graphic designing only will not help you to rank. Suppose 3D effects, it comes under graphic designing. Video editing, it comes under graphic designing. Then motion graphics, it comes under graphic designing. So these
Mm.
are all keywords again. So anyone
Acha.
who is looking for video editing in, graphic designing, if you have put up this keyword in your content, your page will be visible for the user. So Google checks everything. The bots scroll every page of yours. Okay, they check how much the content is relevant, how much it is related. Okay, and as per that, the query is being shown to the user.
Mm.
Understood? So
Understood.
SEO plays a very important role. So even though you don't run a campaign, I would, if you do it properly in the entire year, I mean, like, see, many brands or many local entrepreneurs are also getting business through SEO.
Acha.
Yeah. It is not like, everyone is running ad because see how much you will spend and Google ads is little bit expensive compared to Facebook. On
Mm.
Facebook, at least you can start running ad by paying 150 rupees per day. Okay.
Mm.
No doubt you won't get those leads also. But again, you have an option of limited amount.
Correct.
But on Google, though, you will not get any reach only. At
Mm.
least
Mm.
400, 500 you need to start per day.
Mm.
So it is, I mean, even if you think ki I'll run ad every day for the entire year, how much you will, what will be your profit? You'll be just in loss only.
Mhm.
Okay, so those who are very well-known brands, they people search with the name of the brand. But apart from this, I mean, like, see, even we are aware about the brands, but we will put up the keywords and we'll search.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
here identify the business. In this example, it's a e-commerce business. Okay. Then at what stage did SEO play an important role? At what stage? Which
What stage means initial searching stage? Is that? No.
yeah, initial searching, but because of the keywords.
Correct.
And how did the SEO benefit the identified business?
Keywords only.
Yes.
Mm.
So keywords is very much important. Then benefits of SEO as a marketing channel, less costly than SEM. So it's very
Mm.
less costly because there is no paid ad running here, first
Okay.
of all. Okay. Only thing is you have to check. First of all, no copied content is allowed. You
Mm.
cannot use anyone's copied content. Second thing, no copied image. Okay. Your content should be unique.
Acha.
Okay. So SEO budgets are easier until only hiring a SEO person who will look after your website. That is only the expense where you will have to bear. Or
Okay.
else, if you are good at it, you can do it. And it is not like you are doing
I
SEO.
will only do it. Why I'll hire
What
someone?
happened?
I will only do it. Why I'll hire someone?
Yeah, definitely. So again, see, if you must be thinking, like if I'm, just give me 1 second. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Vijay, are we done with Google Ads?
Google Ads we are done, na?
Google Ads, Google AdWords.
Hmm. What happened?
No, I think so. We have not done. Wait, let me just check.
Google Business.
No, Google My Business is done. Uh,
Oh, I don't remember.
I'll check. Wait,
Hmm.
I'll check it later. Okay. So here SEO budgets are easier to control and manage, no bidding involved. Okay. Only for doing SEO, see, your unique content should be there. If you're not able to create a content, hire a content writer. Okay. If you're not able to do SEO, hire a SEO person. That is the only expense where you have to bear. Baki, you don't have to.
That is a big expense, right? No.
No, it's not a big expense, but
Hmm.
again, if you maintain, it's very good. Okay, so because it's a little bit expensive also, like for putting 8 keywords per month, SEO
Hmm.
person they charge around 10 to 12,000. For 20 keywords, they charge 20,000.
Acha.
Huh. But again, I would say ki you cannot expect like entire month I've paid 20,000 for the SEO person and you will rank in the next month. No.
No, correct.
Sometimes you might rank within 2 weeks also. Sometimes you might rank after 6 months also. It all depends. But again, if you have come on the first page, you will sustain for months. It is not like today you have come up on the first page, you will be again on the last page the second day itself or after 1 month. You will
Hmm.
sustain. But
Acha.
again, we need to maintain to be present on the first page only.
Hmm.
Okay. So page visible on
Understood.
first page of the search engine result page. Okay. Will be available on the first page. Sizable traffic, sizable revenue. SEO is an ideal marketing channel for a long-term and sustainable business growth. So again, SEO is a long-term. It is not for the short term.
Hmm.
Challenges of SEO as a marketing channel, ever evolving algorithm of the search engine. Again, there are many changes happening with the Google. Google might not like these kind of links. Google might, come up with, there is a virus in your website or XYZ. I mean, so these will be the challenges where you might face. Otherwise,
Hmm.
there
Hmm.
is no issues at all. Okay. Not feasible for short term or medium term growth rate. So it is not for the short term, it is obviously for the long term growth. Okay, so survey results, state of SEO 2021, like 68% of online experiences begin with a search engine. Okay, as we discussed, people even they know the name of the mall, they know the name of the brand, but they will search on Google with the keyword, then only they take the step. Then 80% of the major purchases start with the online research, even if the purchase itself happen in a store. So even we know that we'll be purchasing a mobile from the local store only because we want the bill and everything. We want to see how the mobile looks, how much is the weight, how much we can handle. Is it quite big or small? But what we do, we research on Google. We
Correct.
search on Amazon, how much is the price, how much is are they giving any cashback, or do they have the colors available, or do I have to purchase the accessories separate, everything. So
Hmm.
everyone, it's like it has become a habit of everything. Everyone, they go through all this and then they tend to buy the product from the shop. So
Second opinion
61% of,
always.
yes, so
Hmm.
61% of B2B marketers stated that SEO and organic traffic generate more leads than any other marketing initiative. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
obviously SEO, because of, see, as the t-shirts, about t-shirt also, the person, I mean, like they searched on, they had to put a keyword wherein it was visible. So there are more chances of getting leads rather than, going to a website and finding. Then 70% of online marketers say that SEO is better than PPC for generating sales. Again, see, even if you're running ads, once a month also for 5 days or 6 days, how can you expect, like, the people will be searching for the same particular keyword when in the duration of the ads? You cannot expect, right? Now,
That's what I want to
uh,
understand.
uh,
Now, as you said that they keep updating their content.
hmm,
So that content updation is basically you're updating with the necessary keywords
yes,
after doing the necessary research. Correct, na?
yes,
If I'm
correct.
not mistaken.
Yes, yes, yes.
Understanding what the competitors are also using.
Yes, correct. So, like we found it about the data science, okay,
Mm,
Python. Okay,
mm,
we saw first board infinity.
mm,
Okay, we found how many keywords there? There were, I think, six to seven.
mm,
Okay. And then the other website we went where we found around 11 to 12 keywords.
mm,
Okay, because of those extra keywords, it was showing after the paid ads.
mm.
है ना? So this is how it works.
So then, say for example, in my case, if I'm putting up a homestay, then I have to use keywords like homestay, family stay,
Yes,
stay for family, stay for
yes,
group, nine, etc.,
correct,
etc.
correct.
So the
You
search
can
becomes
search
easy.
it. I'll show you on Google Ads, okay, how you can find those keywords. You
Ah,
need to check as per the keywords how many people search monthly.
acha, acha. Oh, you're
Yeah, you get that
Google
data.
Ads. Okay. When you're
Yeah,
doing Google Ads, acha, okay.
yes. You
Hmm.
get that data, how many people are searching for that particular keyword. And then if the search volume is high, you need to not miss using that keyword. You have to use it.
Hmm.
And again, see, Vijay, it is not like, putting up 10 keywords, 12 keywords, whatever. Extra stuffing of keywords will not also help you to come up on the first page. So which
Oh,
are
is it?
necessary? Yeah, I mean, if you'll put, you will be like, 15 keywords. After every sentence, you'll use the keyword. After every 3 words, you'll put up the keyword. No. Google
Hmm.
checks everything. See, it would be like that, then everyone would have, filled up with the keywords only. So the sentence structure,
Oh,
wherever it is required, that is how it works.
acha, 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 acha.
So
Oh, so
if you
my
can see,
thinking was that you put all
no,
these keywords, then you're always on the top. No, it doesn't
no,
work like that.
extra stuffing of keywords is not allowed. There are
Acha.
limitations. I mean, like you cannot put up so many keywords. I mean, like how we put hashtags. I've seen
Hmm.
people putting up, 30, 40
Hmm.
hashtags.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
No,
Hmm.
no,
Hmm.
no, no, no. Please don't do that because
Acha, acha, acha.
it doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
So when we'll be doing Google Ads, that time I'll show you how keywords are being searched and as per that you need to put up. So you can do one thing. See, this week you have used these keywords. Okay.
Correct.
Next week you can put up the others. Make a
अच्छा. हाँ.
Excel file of those keywords which you are into, product
हम्म.
category, and as per
हम्म.
that. And always see, that's the reason I ask everyone to purchase a domain with the keyword only. It make a lot of difference. But again,
Okay.
even if you don't purchase the domain
No,
of,
no, no. What is that domain with keyword? How is it?
for example, like digital marketing. Suppose my company name is Access Digisol. Okay.
Hmm.
But I am into trainings.
Hmm.
So people will not know what is Access Digisol or what are they into. Okay.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
what they'll put digital marketing.
अच्छा. Hmm.
So that's the reason many institute they have digital marketing institute, digital marketing online training.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So even see domain, if you don't want to buy with the keyword, don't buy, it's fine. But
Hmm.
always whenever you create a page of that particular category or the this, use headline as your keyword.
Okay.
Don't promote your brand.
Hmm.
Once you are famous, people will definitely remember, yeah, this brand is in so and so. Okay, don't promote brand. People will not remember brand. They'll remember only the product, the keyword.
अच्छा.
Okay. So this, see, you have I mean like we have now till Wednesday we have lot of days. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
You meanwhile, whenever you feel, I mean like you're free, you
Hmm.
just go and cross check with the keywords websites. For
Okay.
example, like digital marketing or whatever, I mean like homestay and all. You search
Hmm.
on Google, you will find how many people are, I mean, those who are on the first page, check what kind of keywords they have used. Then
Hmm.
those who are on the second page, check why they are not coming on the first page. They must have, you not use enough keywords, or and again, it is not like, only those who are on the first page, they are also only having the unique content or the proper keyword.
Hmm.
Google, it rotates your website also, like first today now, when I searched, I got to see the Coursera. Okay.
Hmm.
Coursera and one more website. What is the name of the website we saw?
Udemy.
UDMY. So then what
Hmm.
it happens, then UDMY goes on the third, the second one
Hmm.
which is there, it will come on the first.
This is due to.
Yeah. It is like rotation wise, Google will show your query to the customer.
Oh. Okay.
It is not like always UDMY will be the first only, it will not go down. No.
Hmm.
Rotation
Hmm.
wise, Google will show.
Oh,
But
Google have their own formats.
yes, but again, for rotation also, Google checks everything, your keywords, your unique content, then
Hmm.
only. Otherwise, there
Hmm.
is no one in comparison to the first person. The
It will
first
be
person
you.
will
You
be,
are always on first.
yes.
अच्छा.
So this is how it works. So if you
Hmm.
want to come up, and always you should have an, that what we say, greediness, to be on the
Hmm.
first page by
Hmm.
hook or by crook. Because see, it is how many, because Google paid, I mean, ads are very expensive. It is not like, always you'll be running ads.
Hmm.
So we should make sure that, we come up on the first page because of the keywords only.
अच्छा. Good.
Definition of SEO: marketing channel that uses organic methods to ensure that blogs, videos, product or service pages rank higher in search results. Organic methods include technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, content marketing. Okay. So by
Hmm.
Moz, again, this is a tool you can note down.
What is mass?
Moz is a tool, paid tool of SEO, which will help you where your website is ranking the
Which is,
keywords and all. It's a paid. So the
what?
practice of increasing the quality and the quality of traffic to your website through organic research, search in result. I'll show you.
Well, how does it help?
Wait, I'll show you. Let me just log in. Okay. See, you can see you get your tutorials also. See, free SEO tools may you get domain analysis. Like you will get to see where your website is standing out of 100 websites in the particular category. Okay, which are the competitive pages, everything. Then who are your competitors? Uncover valuable insights on your organic search competitors. Who are your competitors? How they are performing. Okay, so as per that, you can also plan your strategies. Then keyword explorer, find traffic driving keywords with our 1.25 billion plus keyword index. So here there are n number of keywords. You can just check which are working, which are running, which are in search query. Use those keywords. Link Explorer, Mozzbar, free SEO tools also available. Okay, then learn SEO. You will get tutorials also here if you want to know more about SEO. See, beginner's guide to SEO, SEO learning center, on-demand webinars, how to guide Moz Academy, SEO question and answers. So these are all. You can go with a free trial, but it doesn't help. It doesn't give. So this is how your website ka health checkup we say na. When we do health checkup, we get it. The entire report, like, your HB is low or your bone density is high, XYZ. So like that, these tools help you to check, verify about your website reports. How much does it taking time to load, or the website is opening within a second or not, or where are you ranking? Okay, how much is the, visitors coming to your website? What is the traffic? ठीक है. You can see the pricing and plans. See, starter is $49, standard is $99, medium is $179, large is $299.
This is for yearly.
Month.
Oh, you pay yearly, it shows.
हाँ, $79 monthly when you pay yearly. अच्छा, $79 will be per month if you pay yearly. Okay. And if you want only monthly now, then it will be 99. Here also monthly 49, but if you go for yearly, pay $39 per month.
So 49 is one-time pay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
If you're paying for 12 months, then pay $39 per month.
$10 is less.
Yeah.
So 39 into 85.
I think 3,000.
3,315.
Uh,
That is monthly.
mm.
Obviously, when you do some business, you have to spend something on marketing also. Okay.
Okay, so these are all plans. But those who perform SEO now, they have this tool with them because it makes very easy to, to check everything. It just gives you the entire data where you need to improve and where you need to work more as per that. Okay. Okay, Google search engine result page. Again, we saw sponsored ad, that is Google ad running. Okay, let's observe the search engine result page and discuss the following search ads. Again, now if anyone who is looking for, restaurant near me, that is search.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, it will come here on the first. Suppose local search, which will help you with the map. Okay, which shows map now, that is local search. That is local SEO. Then search engine result page features or rich results like people also question and answer videos featured snippets. Okay, wait, I will show you. So how does search engine How
Works.
does search engine works? An overview.
Crawling,
Crawling.
indexing,
Okay. The
rendering, rank.
bots crawl your website. Okay. Then they index. For example, if you're into e-commerce business, okay,
Hmm.
they'll check. Like, suppose you are into formal shirts, the entire page is been checked by the bots. Is it about only formal shirts, or is it included with the t-shirt, or it's included with the sportswear, swimwear, everything? And then, proper indexing is done.
Hmm.
If everything is mixed under one page, it will not help you to rank at all. In fact, anyone who is searching for those particular category, also your page will be not shown to the user because you
Hmm.
have made entirely mess on your page.
Hmm. Hmm.
If everything is okay, then rendering happens. Okay. And if you're giving the proper service, or whatever user are coming and they are performing on your page, so it will always render. I mean, like, it will always rank on the first page. And then organic traffic from the search engine result page. So this is how it works. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is how it works. So we'll continue next week. Vijay, till
Yeah.
here, any questions?
No.
Any doubts? Nothing.
No.
So weekends you have, I mean, if possible, if you get
Yeah,
time,
I'll
just
go.
go through the sites and you'll have an idea how they
Yeah.
use the
Yeah.
keywords.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
So in future, whenever you will create your website, you'll have an idea how to use those keywords, how to structure the sentences. As per that,
Hmm.
you can.
I'll do. I'll do.
Okay. Chalo then. Bye,
Bye. Bye.
Vijay.
Bye. Bye.
Take
Bye.
care. Have a
Bye.
nice weekend.
You too. Bye.
Yeah, bye.